So here's how to search for a word in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to tap on the home button into your Microsoft Word, and then simply on the right side you will see the find option. So you need to tap on the find, and there you will have it. Also, you can press Ctrl plus F into your keyboard so that you can find the navigation bar. So after finding this navigation bar, you can simply search anything or any word into this navigation bar. Let's just search for programming. And as you can see, we got 3 results. All right. So if you just tap on the first programming, you can see here is the first word. So you can tap on the second one to find out the second result, and click on the third one to find out the third word. So that's how you can simply search or find a word in Microsoft Word in a quick and easy way. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.